In this video, I'll show you how to convert video to anime on your mobile phone using Domo AI. So have you been wondering how these types of videos are made on TikTok, where you have a real video and then it converts into an anime version? If yes, then keep watching as I'll show you how to do it. So for this, you'll need an app called Discord. Discord is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it and create an account on it. Next, you want to open up a web browser and go to this website, domoai.app. The link will be in the description down below. Now on this page here, you want to tap on Start in Discord. Now for some reason, you'll have to do it several times as sometimes this website is not responsive. I believe a lot of people are trying to create videos using this website. So now once the link opens up, it'll open up in Discord. Accept the invite. Now go ahead and answer some questions to become a part of this community. Agree to the server rules. Now once that's set, you want to go ahead and tap on the left arrow at the top left of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Generate Video. Now on this page at the bottom, you want to type the following. So you want to type a / and then you'll get some options. Select Video. Discord will now try to look into your camera roll, so go ahead and give some permission to it, so allow the access. Select a video from your camera roll which you want to convert it to an anime version. Now once you select it, on the prompt down below, type in anime and then tap on send. Now in the chat window, you'll see something regarding TOS. Go ahead and agree to that. Now, since others are also using this same Discord chat, you'll need to scroll up and down to find yours. Once you find your section, select the model. So here I'll just stick to first one, which is the flat color anime style. Then I'll select what length of the video. So the more longer the length, the more time it will take to process. Now, once you've set that, give it some time and you'll see the progress by watching the prompt. Since I've chosen the least amount of time, I waited for 4 minutes. Now once the video is created, you'll see it in the chat window. Find the line and you'll see the video. On the left side is the AI created video in the anime version, while on the right side is your original video. Tap on it to view it, and to download it, just long press on it and press save. And there you go. That is how to convert video to anime on your mobile phone using Domo AI website. Now, if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.